Alright, today I'm going to be replacing the old rotten cord on Grandpa's old bench grinder here. See if I can get her going again and use it in my own shop now. I've already cut the cord off, but we'll open this cover and see what it looks like in there. Got little thumb screws in there, which is pretty neat. I've never seen it. It still has the identification tag on it, so I'll read that off here in a little bit. Okay, let's plug that in and see how if it'll work. If it does work, I'll probably unhook the wire again and put a switch on. Looks like it works. Alright, it got me a switch. And I'm going to mount it in this hole. I don't know, let's just see. I think that'll work. Then I'll drill me another hole on the side here to run my wire through. Just going to have a jumper on it. Alright, after some aggravation, I got that soldered on there. Alright, I got this little rubber grommet here. I want to see if I can fit it in my hole here for the wire, which I doubt I will. But actually, I'm going to drill a little bit bigger hole for it because I want it to go through and protect my wire. I had to turn the camera off and cuss for a second. Alright. It's a 1/6 horsepower, 1725 RPM.